Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I'm going to show you how I paint this welcome fall lettering. I am going to go in first with the color putty for my welcome, and then I'm going to go in with Terra Cotta for my fall. And both of these colors I'm using are Dixie Belle chalk paint, which you can purchase online at buildacross.com, along with the cutout I'm painting and the brushes I'm using. I'm just using a sponge brush for this. It's easy to base coat this lettering with, and you can also get the sides really well with a sponge brush. Of course, if you wanted to go in and like spray paint this so that you could get the sides a little bit easier, you absolutely could do that. And now just going in with Terra Cotta. And I did swap to a brush for this, no really particular reason other than I had it there sitting on my desk. So like I said, either will work. And now I'm going in with a sponge brush to distress the edges. This is also kind of going to separate like the words from each other. This really makes it stand out and pop and just gives it kind of like a finished touch for me. And then once I'm done with that, my project will be complete. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and have a wonderful day.